Welcome students. Today we will learn how to find square root by division method. There are two methods to find square root. One is prime factorization method, another is division method. So before we learn the division method, let's see. Square of 1 means 1 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 1. Next is square of 2, 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Square of 3, 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. As the same way I have written here square of 9, 9 into 9, which is equal to 81. So first of all, we will see what to do while we will start to find out the square root by division method. First, we can write down the number under this shade. Here you can write 7, 5, 6, 2, 5, and then we will make pairs of 2. Pairs means already it is known to all. Pair means 2. We will start from one side and we will take 2. This is once 5 is at one's place, we will take from here 2, 2. Now 7 is left single, so what you can do, you can increase 1 0 in front of 7, then it also becomes pair of 2. Now as a table is given here in front of you, we will see which digits, which numbers square is equal to 7 or less than 7. So here square of 1 is 1, less than 7. Square of 2, 4, which is less than 7. Square of 3, 9, which is greater than 7. So we will take square of 2. Means what we have to do, here we will write 2 and upside you will write 2. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4, and then subtract it, you will get 3. Next what you have to do, this 2 and 2 you can add and write here 4. Then 3, remainder left 3. Now what we have to do, we will take carry this. Next pair down 50, 6. Now what we have to do, we will see such a digit which we can place here after 4, and the same digit you will place upside. Then with that digit you will multiply this 2 digit number, so that we can get something equal to this or less than this. So we will see, we will try with 2. We will try now. Yes, 2. 2 you can write upside, 2 you can write here. 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. So you can see 84 is very much less than 356. So we can select another digit. Let's see, we are writing here 7. 7, 7, 7, 49. Here you can write 9. 7 4 is 28 plus 4, 32. So here 16 minus 9. 7 here left 4, 4 minus 2, 27 left. Here what we have to do, next step, this 7 will add it to 47. 7 plus 47, 7 plus 47, it will gives you 7 plus 7, 4, 1 carry, 5, 54. Now what you can do, you can take carry this pair down, 25. Now you need to see such a digit which you can place after 4 and which you can write upside, so that with that digit you will multiply this 3 digit number. Now see, I am going to place here 5, and here also I will place 5. With this 5 I will multiply this 3 digit number, and we need to find out whether equal to this or less than this. 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20 plus 2, 22. 5 5 is 25 plus 2, 27. It came exact 2725. So it means the square root of 7565 is equal to 275. This is the first question which we have done with this method. I will see another example. Now let's see another question. This is 95 lakhs 48,100. So its square root, how to find out? Let's see now. Same way we will draw a shed or a dividing line. Write down the number 9, 5, 4, 8, 1, 0, 0. So our first work is to make the pairs from the one side. So one side we will start making pairs. 2, 2, and again 9 is left alone. So what you can do, you can increase here 0 to make the pair of 9 also. So that everything will exist in 2. What I am doing here, I am increasing 1 0. I increase this 9 here, we can increase 0, so that for your understanding, so it is also in pair now. Now we will take the first pair, that is 9, and we will see such a number whose square is equal to 9. So 3 square. So what we will do here, 3 you can write upside and 3 right here. 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. Nothing. And then 3 plus 3. This after doing this you can add it. Here you will get 6 and then take carry 54. Now you can see 54 is 2-digit number, and if you are going to place least something 1, it will become 61. If you are going to place it here 1, because 1 is the smallest one which you can place here. 1 you will place here, the 1 it will become 61. 1 you will place upside. 1 multiply 61, you will get 61, which is greater than 54. It means with this single pair we can't solve it. We need to take carry another pair down. So you can take, because we are taking another pair carry down, this 81. So you can increase 0 here and 1 0 here. Now you can take this pair carry down, 81. Now you can think which number you can place here, so that the product of this 3-digit number along with that digit which you are going to place here will comes 5481. So see, I will place here 9, because 9 9 is 81. At least we will get 1 at the ones place. So 9 if you will multiply, you will get 9 9 is 9 9 is 81, 9 0 is 0 plus 8 9 6 is 50. So here exact we got. Now next two pairs you can take carry. Which pairs are 0? So of 0 we can't do nothing, anything we can't do of these 0, so we can increase 1 0 upside. So this is your square root. Square root of 9 5 4 8 C100 is equal to 3090. We will have more examples. This is the first.